In this video, we will show you how to post anonymously in Facebook group. To post anonymously in Facebook group, first, the group must be allowed to post anonymously by the admin. In here, for example, if you are using smartphone, we can just post anonymously by clicking anonymous post. Okay, this is only available if the admin group is enable this feature. Just click here and click Got It. So we can asking about anything. Where is the best, for example, beach? We can just post with something like this and click post. Okay, but it's also require the admin for approval. If you're using web browser, it is also the same. Okay, like if you are using the Facebook apps, if you're using web browser, let me show you. You can post anonymously by clicking on the text. Okay, after the text box is appear, you can just click this to enable and click Got It. So you can ask anything or post anything. Where is the best mountain, for example, and you can click submit. Okay, it is also similar when you are using the smartphone on Facebook apps or when you are using web browser. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to post anonymously in Facebook group, whether on mobile or whether on web browser. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.